Don't be angry if I didn't add you. In the story, I know who I didn't add. You will be in the part 2 and shoutout at the end of the video, and thank you for
Go more in the
You will be in the part 2 and shoutout at the end of the video, and thank you for everything. Enjoy.
New, why am I back here? I'm the hated child? And why do I have an emoji for a bed? And someone is sleeping on my bed, how rude.
Clean my room, ugly brat.
Girl, you're calling me ugly, but you haven't looked in the mirror. You can't even spell ugly.
Ugh, I'm telling Dad, you don't want to clean my room.
Finally, she's gone. What's this button on my screen? Wow, I have a helper, and there's more. Aw, let me see the other one. Oof, there are more. Locked ones, ugh, I guess I have to go more in the story. Wow, instead of the milk, you brought the cereal. And why you so ugly?
Go and clean your sister's room now, brat. Or you won't eat dinner tonight. And you'll just wash the dishes.
No, and why would I?
In her sister's room.
Don't tell me I'm actually gonna clean emojis in a slime BG. Ugh, I hate you, creator. 3 hours later. It's literally been a second.
Come clean dishes, you filthy child.
Why, creator, just why? Do you give me such ugly parent?
Shut up, you only eat tomorrow since you didn't listen to your pretty sister.
Ugh, the creator is so lazy. What the? Wang, bang, choo, choo, mum.
Hurry up, brat, we will be late for school. I heard there will be a fight.
I heard you were talking trash about my bestie.
Yay, and what are you gonna do about it, little girl?
I'll show you what I'ma do. Smack this jar right in your big trash talking mouth.
All right, run up. Little girl, let's see what you got.
Does Roblox allow this? Oh my gosh. Dang, this getting serious.
Nah, G, you got knocked out.
Let this be a warning from a lil girl. And I better not see you talking.
Damn, you got played. I'ma post this everywhere, girl.
I just wasn't feeling it. I'ma get you next time, though. Simon girl, let's go.
Dang, girl, you slay.
Thanks, my name is Ella.
I'm going to hang out with that other girl. She should have won.
Would you like to hang out with me and my friends?
Ugh, fine, since if I said no, the creator would just teleport me away. Y'all a friend group or something?
Yay, something like that.
Let's introduce ourselves. My name is Tom and I'm 19.
My name is Isnatalted.
And everyone already knows my name.
My name is Bella.
Y'all don't need to know my name, so what now?
Let's all head to class me. Della and Ella don't have the same class as you two.
Yay, see you all at recess.
Yes, see you all at our usual spot.
So you all must be wondering why the girls and the boys' classrooms are separated. That's because we're doing something new for this year. Start bald purple girl.
I don't want to tell.
Fine then, I don't care. Pigtails girl, you're next.
My name is Ari.
Law, what an awful name.
Shut up, Brat. You will pay when we get home.
Shut up, Olive. You blonde girl, you're next.
My name is Natalted.
Okay, Pinky. You're next.
My name is Kiara Biscuits, but you can call me Kiara for short.
Okay, girl, next to Pinky. You're next.
My name is Go-Go Girl Fan 1.
Okay, now last person.
Cat 678.
Okay. Then my name is Miss Ratitude. Well, I know nothing about teaching. It's my first time. And all of your names are trash, so I'ma call you by the names I give you. We're having a surprise test. Hope you all studied.
Girl, you never told us what we must study in. We just started school.
I don't care. I'm giving out your test papers. You only get 7 minutes.
That's too little. Make it 30 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes. And that's all I'm giving. Okay, 5 minutes over.
Hey, Rat, it wasn't even a minute. Do you even know how to tell the time? Oh, right, you don't, because you're a crusty, musty, dusty, rusty, sorry excuse of a teacher.
I can get you expelled. So keep quiet.
Ugh, just tell us what we got.
Okay, all of you passed. Except Pigtailed Girl.
New this is impossible. This is can't be right. You marked my test wrong.
No, girl, I marked it right.
Lol, how embarrassing.
Shut up, I'ma get my gang up on you.
Mine is right here in this class, so try to run up.
Yay, we'd like to see you try off Brandora.
Yay, we're gonna rock your world when it's recess.
All right, settle down. It's recess. You can all leave.
Lol, you really think you can beat us?
Yay, I do cotton candy. So what?
Nah, G, you got knocked
Agnew. Wah, ya.
Go cry to your mom with that attitude you had.
Ugh, this isn't over. It's our turn to rumble.
Guess you guys want another. Deep down.
This time we'll beat you down.
What was that?
There's a school shooting.
Oh my god, BB knew why. Him.
I'm getting you to here.
Let's go. I don't wanna die. Follow me, and if you can't keep up, I don't care.
Let's go, girl. What are you waiting for?
I can't leave, not without him even, if it meant dying. Leave without me. I'm here, my love. Don't worry, I'm here. Gee, go girl, just go. I'll see you at my funeral.
Nuwoo.
I'll see you in the afterlife, BB.
See you to my love.
I'm never leaving you guys. We'll make it.
And sorry for not posting. For weeks, guys, I've been getting my phone less these days, but finally I can. Post and sorry not of you names were not. Put on it will be put on the part 2. The reason your characters were not. Put it because y'all need to be a little more specific. And ask in the comments if you want to be a helper so we can summon you or you can be a Roblox character.